Welcome to Advanced Tech Solution channel. Before start my video, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to split your PDF file and as well as how to merge your multiple files into one file. So for doing split file, you have to go to this link. You can find the link in the description section of my video. And here is our sample PDF file. You have to go to this menu and click split PDF. After that, you have to choose your desired PDF file. We are selecting our PDF file. The file is uploading. This is our sample file, 5 pages file. We will split it into three files. You can select the page number and also you can select the range of the page. So first number 1 and next file will be 2 to 3 pages and the last file will be 4 and 5 pages. It will take 10 seconds to split your file. This is done. Now download your file. It will be downloaded into a RAR file. So you have to open it and you have to extract the file. The extract is done. You can see 3 files is created. Let's check the file. One file is 1 pages and next 2 file will be 2 pages and the another file will be as well as 2 pages. So 3 file is created. Now we have to merge all of these 3 files into one file. So you have to go to this link again. You can select your multiple file. We are selecting 3 files and 3 files will be merged into one file. This is done. Now download the file. You can see here 3 files is created into one file. You can check the file. The file is same as well as the previous file. So thanks for watching my video. If you find the video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you again.